Now we'll be demonstrating our app on the actual phone. Let's sign by Google first. This is the homepage of our map, and on the top left, there's a profile button. In the profile page, let's try editing some attributes first. Now let's go back to the main page and try putting up some posts. When a post is saved, we can see in our profile page, the published count increases and we got a new achievement. We have a special algorithm that will combine the posts if they're too close to each other. This is done by calculating their distance using their longitude and latitude. And if they're within 200-meter radius, the posts will be combined into one cluster. As we can see, there's only one pin on the map, and there are two posts in the list. In the profile page, published count increases, and we got a new achievement. If we put a post far enough from each other, this will be standing on its own. As we can see, there are two pins on the map. The published count becomes 3, and we got a third achievement. Now let's try filtering the posts by tags. If we select post only, there will be 3 posts in the list. But if we filter posts by selecting first and second, there will be only first post and second post in the list. We have another algorithm that builds a tri-tree based on the post title. And then if we search the post by any subtree, then we'll get a list of posts returned. And if we search the post by RST over here, only the first post will be returned. Now let's try deleting a post. When a post is deleted, but the published count decreases and we loses 1 achievement. Now we have turned on our emulator, and the emulator has already created a post on the map. We'll try using our actual phone to find this post by using the search method. As we see, we can find a post over here, and we can try liking and commenting it. The comment is posted, the emulator shall open the post and see the change on his post. And now the emulator will return to the app page, to the home page, and the actual phone will try to follow it. As you can see, the emulator receives a message, "Congrats, you got a new follower." The emulator will go back to the app and see the change on their profile. As you can see, the emulator receives a new follower, which is Bob. And now Bob will unfollow the emulator. And now let's refresh the emulator screen, and we can see the followers return to 0. Now we will demonstrate a situation where 2 accounts follow each other, essentially making them mutual. As you can see on the top right, the actual phone is right now following the emulator, and the emulator will try to follow the actual phone. We can see the actual phone receives a new message. And now, if we look at the emulator screen, we'll see the mutual sign on it. Now we will demonstrate a situation where a user is logged out. When a user is logged out, he cannot follow or unfollow or modify attributes on the profile page. when he go back to the map page, he can still review the post, but he could not like or comment on the posts. However, they may still use the search or filter by tags functionality. Let's try filter by tags. We can see the posts are still viewable. Everything will come back normal if the user logs in back. Everything comes back to normal.